Welcome to the in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recording on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the system settings. Here then click to the screen recording, and now just scroll a little bit down and you'll see here the show screen touches switcher. Just to activate them, click once on the switcher, and to turn them off, click on the switcher once again, and that's it. So also we have the second way how we can activate the screen recording settings. Just first open the notification panel, and after that you should find here the screen recording icon. Just hold it for a while, and after that you should find here the screen touches switcher. Turn it on or turn it off by click on the switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.